Hello guys, today we are at a Guelph DriveTest Center and we are going to Guelph G Test Route. They have got two test routes. We are going to go to both the route one by one. And after watching my video, if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go. Let's go to Guelph G Test Route number 2. You have to park here in the parking lot and then the examiner will tell you, let's go right here. Mirror, signal blind spot, look around everywhere, no one is coming. Let's take to the right side. Take right here, look around. Look, anyone coming? Yes, no one is coming around. Everything is clear, road is clear. No one is coming in our way. Everything is clear here. Any entrance, I'll check all the entrances, everything is good. And we will take left here, take left, look around. One car is coming. Yes, one car is coming. Let this car go. Yeah, no one is coming. We'll take a left here. Then mirror signal blind spot, change it to right. We'll take a right here. And it's a Woodlawn road. We'll take a right here on the Woodlawn. Yes, good. And take a right here. Now the speed limit is 60 on the Woodlawn road. We'll take left on the first traffic light. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. That's a highway 7. We'll go to left lane here. And they will take you highway from here. Light is red, we cannot go. Take a left here. Here, signal blind spot. We'll take a left here. Go to the first lane. Then the signal blind spot. Change it to right. MSB. Change it to right. Yeah. See, railway track is coming on the highway. Check both sides. Speed limit is 70 on the highway. Check both sides. Don't exceed speed limit. Yeah, look around. Everything is good. Everything is clear. Don't exceed speed limit, and here I'm just going to tell you a couple of times. When it's safe to do so, change it to left, then change back to right. When it's safe to do so, then only do. I have one car right at my blind spot, I cannot change it. Yes, now it's safe to do so. Mirror signal blind spot, I'll go to the left lane. Yeah, don't change lane in the intersection. Railway track, check both sides. Mirror signal blind spot, change back to right. Yeah, and then go straight here. On highway, speed limit is 70. Intersections are coming. We check both sides. Even if the light is green, still check both sides. And speed limit is 70 here. Don't exceed speed limit. 70 meaning is 69. Don't exceed speed limit. People are going fast, no problem. You don't have to go fast. Next traffic light, we will take a right. That's a Willow road. Mirror signal blind spot, we will take a right here. And Willow road is having a yield sign there. Yield sign meaning you have to give the way if anybody coming in our way. Light is green, one pedestrian standing there. Yes, he is not coming in our way. We can take a right here. Yes, take a right here. And yeah, this lane is ending. We have to change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Then again, we will take a right from the first street. Take a right here. That's called Marksam road. We'll take a right here. On Marksam road, the speed limit is 40. 40 meaning is 39. Be careful. Never exceed speed limit. 39. You have to drive here. Maximum. Check all the roads. Look around. Any pedestrian coming? Any car coming? Yeah, look around. Look, any pedestrian here? Yeah, pedestrians are there. Keep an eye on that. One kid is playing. So be careful about that. Look around. Anyone coming in our way? Yeah, it's the kids are playing. See, it's a summer time, right? So kids are playing in the streets. So watch all those things. People are walking around. Look around. Everything is good. No one is coming in our way. Treat this pedestrian like a king, right? If the pedestrian is coming, king is coming, stop for them. Even they are right or wrong, doesn't matter. If pedestrian is happy, king is happy, you are happy. So make sure don't scare any pedestrian on the road. Check around, look around. Everyone, yeah, very good. Look, everyone coming, yeah, no one coming in our way. Good. Yeah, look in the entrances. Next stop sign we will take a right. The 40 ends here. Next stop sign we will take a right. Right indicator after the entrance. That's called Speedwell Avenue. We will stop here, complete. Good. Go further ahead. No one coming in our way. Anyone there? No one coming. We'll take a right here. And next traffic light we will take a left. Mirror signal blind spot. Take a left. We'll take a left on the next traffic light. That's again highway. Take a left here. For the traffic light we will take a left. That's a unique entrance to the highway. Left turn, and there's no merging on this side for the entrance to the highway. You have to stop here. When you're standing here, look around, look everywhere, front, back. Check this back mirror every 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds we should check it. We should know what's going on behind us too. Look around. Yeah, they look like their light is going to get red soon. Our light will be green soon. Look around. Keep on checking everywhere. Keep both hands on staying all the time. Look around, look everywhere. Everything is getting good. Their light turned to red, maybe. No, not yet. Yeah. So we have to keep on standing and looking for the light. Look for the pedestrian. No pedestrian can come in our way. There's nothing is there. So that cars may come in our way. Yeah, look like they got a green light. Our light is red. Don't just keep on looking at the light. Just check everywhere. Light is green. No one coming in our way. We can take a left here. And this again highway. And we'll take a left here. And then we change it to right. Mirror signal blind spot is 70 here. Go to 70 first. Yeah, and now railway track is there. I cannot change lane on the railway track. Once this railway track. And look around to check everywhere. And now I'm going to change the lane. Don't change lane on the track. Look around, look everywhere. Then example say when it's safe to do so, change it to left, come back to right lane. Mirror signal blind spot. I change it to left. Then mirror signal blind spot, change back to right. Look around, look all the railway track, check both sides. We'll take a right from the next traffic light. That's again Woodlawn Avenue, Woodlawn Road. We'll take a right here. Light is green, we can take a right. Say yield sign here. No one is coming in our way. But this lane is going to end. We have to change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. And change mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Don't change lane 2-3 lanes together with the one indicator. Turn off indicator even for 1 second, then put it on again. Yeah, light is yellow now. We have to go left. Good. Take to first lane here, and then change it to right. Mirror signal blind spot. Change lane to right. Take a right inside here. Just look around, everything is good. No one is coming in our way. Everything is good, clear. Look around. Yeah. Look around everywhere. And then the examiner is going to tell you to park there. And park on the right side. Mirror signal blind spot. And to park in the first parking lot here. Or wherever the examiner is going to tell you to park there. And that's it. And then examiner tell you to put in the parking. Congratulations, you meet ministry standard today. You pass your test. Congratulations, you pass your test. Go get your license from inside.
Hope you like my video and make sure you do lot of practice before the test. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.